Hey everyone, Alex here, and in this video I'm going to show how you can take data in a spreadsheet and bulk generate certificate PDFs from it. You'll see here we have a list of 100 students who have just completed a course, and we want to generate a certificate PDF for each of them. And if we open up this folder here, you'll see I have all 100 of these certificates in PDF format. Each certificate contains data specific to that student, and they're all nicely named as well, so easy to identify. Let's get into it. Now, in order to generate our certificates, we're going to be using a tool called DocuPotion. And full disclaimer, I am the founder of DocuPotion. We offer a free trial, and then there are paid plans depending on how many certificates or other documents you need to generate each month. But one thing I would say is before you even get into free trial paid plans, take a look at our free certificate maker tool. If you only need to generate a few PDFs of certificates, then this might be enough for you. You can generate up to 10 free PDFs per 24 hours. So start off by checking that out. But if you know you want to bulk generate from a spreadsheet specifically, then stay tuned because that's what we're going to cover now. Once you signed up for a DocuPotion account, you're going to have access to the DocuPotion dashboard. Navigate over to the template section, click on new template, and then we're going to have three options in terms of generating our reusable template. And the way we're going to run this process is we're going to create a reusable template in DocuPotion. We're going to upload our spreadsheet, map our template fields, and then bulk generate our PDFs of our certificates. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a quick look at the template library, because we actually do already have some certificate templates. And let's just go with this first one here, Workplace Training Completion Certificate. And I'm going to add data later. I'll come on to that in just a second, but it may be the case that one of our library templates perfectly suits your needs. Let's just take a look at how this looks. So you can see here we have our nicely formatted certificate reusable template. All of these texts surrounded by these curly braces. These are merge fields where we're going to replace it with our own data. But I've decided I want something a bit more custom. So I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to delete that template, and then I'm going to build a new one using our AI powered editor. I'm going to call my template certificate, and you can see here there's actually like a default prompt for certificates. You can change this to whatever you want. So let's say I want a modern certificate with blue as the primary color. And I'm also going to attach the DocuPotion logo because I want that to be included in the template. So I'm going to say use @image1 as the logo. And then I need to paste in some sample data. And what this is these are effectively the merge fields that DocuPotion is going to add to our reusable template. And I found the easiest thing to do here is simply go into your CSV or Excel or Google Sheet, copy the column names, paste it in here, and then DocuPotion will automatically create those merge fields. So let's click on create template. This may take a minute or two depending on how much information you've added, the complexity involved in building your template. But once it's done, you're going to get something like this, depending on what exactly you asked for. Now, a couple of things that we might want to change here. Let's see, we currently have certified complete. Do you know what? Let's just change the certified complete badge to certified with merit. Click enter. We can basically chat with our reusable template, much like we would with a ChatGPT or whatever AI chatbot you're familiar with. And then DocuPotion is going to go and update the template based on whatever we told it. So you can see there, that's now updated, that badge. I'm pretty happy with this, but I do actually want to add some signatures in here for the course instructor and the director. I could upload images and use them as the signatures, but I'm actually, for simplicity, just going to say add the signatures in an appropriate font. And then again, DocuPotion is going to go away, going to update the template with those signatures. And you can see now we have our signatures there. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how this looks. So I'm going to click on publish. I'm then going to go over to the generate tab, and I'm going to upload my spreadsheet here. DocuPotion is going to do a quick analysis of our spreadsheet. And you'll see here now we have our 4 template fields, which are these fields here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they've been mapped automatically because they have the same names to the columns in our spreadsheet. If we wanted to change it, we could simply click on it and choose a different one, or if the matching hadn't gone perfectly, we can update it ourselves manually. File name. So this is where we decide what the name of each PDF is going to be. And what's nice about this is we can actually use the template fields to name our PDF. So I'm going to call our output PDFs the participant name and then their course title. So for example, one PDF is going to be called Isabella Bennett, Network Administration and Systems Security. That'll be different depending on which certificate is being generated. We can then click on review. We just have one final look to confirm that we're happy. We're going to be creating 100 certificates because there's 100 rows in our spreadsheet. So I'm going to click on generate 100 documents, and it's going to trigger our batch generation. We're then going to be brought to this run screen where we're going to have a live status update of how many PDFs have been generated, how many are in the queue. This may take a minute or two depending on how many certificates or other documents you're generating. So I'm just going to pause here and let DocuPotion do its thing. Okay, so all 100 of our certificates have been generated. We can open up any one just to take a look at it. So for example, if we click on the view PDF for Owen Chen, we're going to download that and we can open it up and take a look at it. And you can see there it has Owen Chen's specific information, so personalized certificate. Now, if we want to download all of these certificates, we thankfully don't have to do it one by one. Instead, we can just click on this download all button and we're going to get the zip file that'll have all the PDFs contained within it. So let's open that up. And then if we open that folder up, we'll see we have our 100 certificate PDFs. So hope that's been useful. If you have any questions on how any of this works, feel free to leave a comment below.